That day was a day that made me even worry even today. Ngadlani eVic Falls. Ula bafowethu. I go by the name of Moritz Littler, aka Badelicious. Mr. Vicious mase kuspanwa serious. Hopefully niyakena ke ukuthi kutawuphuma amadela ipipa irachacha. Vandaag ngitanje story nyana. Just from my experience. I'm ngisaspana neGrootman and Den Chanda while we were signed under Dalo Music by the late Den Chanda, the hit machine, Big Boss. Sispanile nabo kakhulu with my legends, Dalum Kids, the late Patricia Machalisa, the late Pico Kumbendulo Tandile, Machicos, Marvelous in SA. There's this particular day, ngavelelwa bafowethu. I was about to jump on stage, nayo Den Chanda. May his precious soul rest in peace. Nomjay Jagalas, my sidekick man, partner in crime. We were ready to jump on stage. I think we usually jumped on stage around 12 to 1. So we had to jump on stage first. Unfortunately, masestongena laphana. I feel my body is heating up like ngivakushisa. Yabona ngathi ngiyachecka ngikhanza sengigcwele emachuchumba, and then I was like, hawu kwendakalani lana ngithinze mje ngithi kusemje yathi angidivacran. Athi what's wrong cause manje kumele sigibele stage. Ngithi mina kusoyothi ngivule namachuchumba lana. I'm rashing the whole body. Athi mje kusewudleni wena. Uyabona. Then when I recalled well bengifikile around boma 7 ngafuna kudla around masifika. And I didn't report to anyone that I was feeling hungry, and then I just went to kulabo mama labathengisako athenga inyama then ngadla because I was feeling hungry and I felt like let me just get something quickly. So I suspected I might have ate something wrong. Isigijimi like vele nebhende seyiyadlala manje sekufuna singene because sine qala thina and then bese ngene ingamula. Simtshele ukuthi yathi ngiyi-understand nakathi yangicheck ukhanza mina ngiyaresha the whole body ngibe like yathi ngivelwa nginayinto nayo lana athi you got to get medication quickly. Ngithi mina I like ngidaba sharp athi ngeke ube sharp. This thing washisa kutoba worse because I think you allerging something. Luckily ke vele i-medication esihlale sihamba nayo sigijime ngithathe i-allergics banginike yona, and then we prayed ne-out yami iyalaha le yami ithi udla inyama yenxaha style. Yabona. And then I standards, then we jumped on stage. That day it was a very, very super performance, and it was the first time ngijayivela le number ka-10 le iPikoko. And then he took his big bass guitar, lainikwa nguRay Phiri, the guy that named him Splash because of the type of music he was playing. Wangena lamkhathini wehlwele, and he was playing it all across, and I was like, aye, lendoda le, very talented and intelligent guy. It was a super, super performance. Adlala iPikoko, and it was the first time I danced to that song by the late Den Chanda. And what I can say, that experience was like, if you do something with passion, something you love, kuba bete netinto letincane letikudisturbayo just to inspire the upcoming artists. Would say you got to stay strong. This is a concrete jungle. It's an dog eats dog jungle. So you got to stay strong and focus. Danko, hope nimnanzi lapho. Madela EP coming soon, like next week. It's gonna be dropping with the hits like Basopa Bafati remix, Time Heals, Ulkawe, Ngiyoke Ngibone, Abajabule Bandvu, Siyabaluta, Rachacha, Enengizokuchacha wola lapho Badelicious, Mr. Vicious nasokuspanwa serious so long seswaso. We humbly request support yenu bafethu. Danko wola lapho.